Imagine having an AI assistant that remembers your ideas, connects your notes automatically, and helps you think through problems instead of just storing information in folders. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Mem AI in 2026 and why so many people are calling it one of the smartest productivity apps available right now. Mem AI is an AI-powered note-taking and personal knowledge management platform designed to act more like a thought partner than a traditional notes app. Instead of spending time organizing folders and databases manually, the app uses AI to connect ideas, surface relevant notes, and help you retrieve information instantly using natural language. When you first create an account, you'll notice that the interface is intentionally simple and minimal. To get started, create your first note by typing ideas, meeting notes, project plans, or anything you want to remember later. One of the biggest differences compared to traditional note apps is that Mem automatically organizes much of your information in the background using AI, so you don't need to constantly think about folders or categories. Next, try the AI search feature. Instead of searching for exact keywords, you can ask questions naturally, like you're talking to an assistant. For example, you can ask Mem to find meeting notes from last month, summarize project discussions, or pull together related ideas across different notes. This AI-powered retrieval system is one of the features users praise most because it makes large amounts of information easier to manage without building complicated systems manually. Another major feature is Mem Chat. Think of it like ChatGPT connected directly to your own notes and knowledge base. You can brainstorm ideas, generate summaries, organize thoughts, and ask questions about your saved information. Many users say this makes the app feel less like passive storage and more like an active thinking assistant that helps with creativity and productivity. The app also supports integrations with tools like Gmail and Slack, so you can pull information from different sources into one connected workspace. According to user feedback, one of the biggest strengths of Mem AI is speed. Users often mention that capturing ideas feels fast and frictionless compared to larger productivity platforms like Notion. People also praise the clean interface and the fact that the AI helps reduce the need for constant manual organization. However, there are definitely some downsides you should know before switching completely. Some advanced users feel the app still lacks certain customization options, offline features, and complex workflows available in competitors like Obsidian or Notion. Others mention that the pricing may feel expensive if you mainly need basic note storage rather than advanced AI assistance. A few reviewers also say that while the AI features are impressive, they may not completely transform every workflow, depending on how you already organize your information. Overall, if you want a modern AI-first productivity app that helps connect ideas, retrieve information intelligently, and simplify note-taking, Mem AI is definitely worth trying in 2026. It's especially useful for people who constantly collect ideas and want an app that feels more like a thinking assistant than a traditional notes database. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know which AI or productivity tool you want me to cover next.